Hey Steve, welcome to Hopping Love anyway, so it's welcome to Hopping Love anyway, yep. So it's home of the Blumberg WNF98 29kg 300 spin AA class green plus washing machine anyway, and a Blumberg TKF A450 anyway, yep. So anyway, so today I'm doing a load of towels in my auntie's Hoover 9kg 300 spin triple and energy DYN9144D3X anyway. So yeah, doing a load of towels in my auntie's Hoover today. We're doing a load of towels today in my auntie's Hoover today. We're using the Hoover today anyway. So detergent I'm going to be using up today, using the Sainsbury's non-bio powder I'm using the Sainsbury's non-bio laundry powder I'm using today. And also I'm going to use today is Comfort Intense Fresh Sky I'm going to be using as well. I'm going to use Comfort Intense Fresh Sky anyway, yep, so I'm using that today anyway. Well, the looks of that stuff in there, they need to be end up taken out anyway. Realise that there's just something that's in there anyway, but oh, we've got a bit of scoop there, but we might want to just scoop it right there, say. So yeah, probably going to put 2 scoops of that anyway, just 2 scoops of Sainsbury's and we're going to put some softener in as well anyway, so yeah. So yeah, I'm always going to put a full cap of softener anyway, so yeah. So the program I'm going to do on today is colours. I'm going to do it on colours 40 anyway, so I'm going to do it on colours 40 anyway, so I'm going to do it on colours 40 anyway. With 240 minutes anyway, and press start. So yeah, but I think because for towels we always put on colours 40 for towels anyway. Just because for towels we have to always put on colours 40 for towels anyway, colours 40 anyway. Sorry, I know everyone just keeps coming in all the time anyway, so I just hate that. I find it quite annoying though. I don't know if the Sainsbury's non-bio laundry powder gets quite salty. I don't know whether it's getting quite salty or that laundry powder anyway. well, it's loaded towels by the way, so that's what I was going to do on Coloureds 40 anyway, with just with 300 spin obviously, so yeah. So there, so yeah, that's what I was going to do on Coloureds 40 anyway. But I was going to do it with a short obviously, I was going to do it with a short anyway. There's also we also got table and mats in there as well. We also got a table mat in there as well anyway. I realised we've got a shoe in there as well. There's obviously one pair of shoe ads in there as well anyway. So there's obviously one pair of my cousin's shoe ads in there as well anyway. That needs washing as well anyway. I don't know how long the wash cycle looks like on Coloureds 40. I don't know how long the wash cycle looks like anyway. Just on Coloureds 40, I don't know how long the wash cycle is though anyway. So anyway, so I catch our main wash there, so I catch our main wash.